everyone, we are back with Glen Velvet Reviews today, and we're going to do the installation now with the wiper blades that we did get off Amazon. I don't remember exactly the brand name, you know, they don't put it on here, it just says wiper blade, but that'll be obviously in the title. And we're going to be putting them on the on a Hyundai Tucson, just to let you know. I think this is a, I don't know, 2020 maybe, or something like that, maybe 2021, I don't know, it's around there. So we're gonna pop these on together and do a little installation video so you guys can see if it's easy or whatever. There was no tools or anything like that came with it. We did the unboxing as you saw. So let's pop them on and see how easy these are gonna be together over here. So we got the one for the back and we got the two for the front. Now you can enjoy Route 46 East in the back of us over there if you are traveling to New York City. You might be over there making all that noise. So these are the stock ones, just to let you know, if you guys are changing from your stock, this is what came with the vehicle, okay? So this will be a good, you know, installation review as well for you. So that pops off like that, it comes up, and then you're supposed to be able just to pull it right out of the J-hook, as so. Bam, and we're done, and we are off. Now we got the new one. This is the comparison, so you guys can see the old one to the new one. This one has like this little crack right here, this little pivoting point, where this one is just completely flexible, and that's kind of what they look like, you know, like that, just to show you, you know, what came with the vehicle. This one's very similar to the other one. You just pop that open, that thing popped open, see, and the J would go right in there and lock in there, and then you close it so it doesn't come off. I guess it's a very common thing now, so that's cool. It makes it nice and easy for all of us, right? So you're just gonna stretch that in there, see, like so. And then it locks in. See, make sure you push it up, and then this should snap in, and you're done. Bam, done. So they got this is the smaller one over here. And you could do it with your finger. The other one was just a little bit harder, just to let you know. But that comes off. It was so easy. It came off just like that. We'll do the same thing over here. Get that J hook in there. Pull up nice and tight. Snap it, and we're done. All right. See, the back one looks all messed up, but this is like this is what it looks like. Let's get this one off first, and then I can kind of see what's going on here. So the back one, guys, just pops out like that. You just bend it out, and then it comes out. That's it, look. And that's kind of what it looks like, guys, right there, okay? And then the new one's just gonna hook in the same exact way, right in that little C-shaped. So this is the stock one, guys, and this is the brand new one. Honestly, they're exactly the same, look at that. And this is the one that came with the vehicle. So all you do is just slide it in like so. Bend it over, and that's what locks it in. See, it goes in that, it goes only in one way. If you put it in the other way, guys, it won't even work. So they make it like, you know, foolproof. Bam, done. Installation is done, and we are all done, and we can hope for the best with these wiper blades. All right, everyone. So that is it for Glen Velvet Reviews on the installation, and just a little, you know, pretty much, yeah, just the installation. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. I would love to know. Also, subscribe to my channel. Join me on my review adventures as I try to put up stuff to help out the community, just like I get help from the community, all right? And if you can, unless you dislike me for any reason, you can support the channel by clicking on those affiliate links below. Somehow, some way, times a million, it equals into something. But from what I saw, there are other ways to support the channel on YouTube. And if you do decide to support the channel, please make sure you come back, see that I'm putting that support back into it, getting more stuff to review, doing updates on the items so we know we're getting a good value, and also helping my subscribers with any questions they have on the products I did already review. Right, so everybody enjoy, be safe. Glen Velvet Reviews is out. Bye, everybody, and I'll see you later.